Greetings, fellow travelers and riders. It's time for the giant barn swing here at Silver Dollar City in Branson, Missouri. They've got a real nice barn theme there, and you can see that giant swing is revving up behind it. And it says it goes up to 55 miles an hour on the downward swing. So we'll see. We'll bring you on board, point of view, and we'll see you on the swing as soon as we get through here. Pretty cool. Oh, is that what it is? Okay. Interesting. I don't know if it'll make it yet.
I can't, that's mine.
And they come in and they push it down and in. I'll do it. Try it. Got it?
Make sure you're ready. Buckle your seatbelts. Don't push down your restraints. That won't work. I will do that for you.
They push down the restraints. The giant barn swing. Hands up, Becky.
Push down on those restraints. All right, we'll get those where you want them.
Oh, I'm in.
Oh, me too, really bad.
I'm in nice and tight.
Oh.
Okay. Let's see how this guy goes. It'll be just a relaxing time. Nice snooze-a-roo, huh? No, I don't know. I heard this is pretty intense. 55 feet, or whatever it is, 55 mile an hour. Oh, we're going. Okay. Oh boy, it's like a giant swing ship. Oh. Woo. Oh, mercy. Oh, this is not my cup of tea. Oh, straight down. Oh, that's like a... Woo, there's a brake run. Oh, I don't know. Oh, am I green? Do I look green? No, I'm not too bad, but it's pretty intense. So, all right, we'll see you in a second for the wrap, everybody.
Welcome back, riders. Go ahead, push down, push down, and pull up.
Oh man, it is. It is. See you in just a second. Just coming off the giant barn swing, and what'd you think?
Yeah, fun ride. It definitely gets you up there seeing the pavement.
How would you compare this one to Skyhawk at Cedar Point?
It's about the same, pretty similar, yeah.
So this one really pushes it. It's like 55 miles an hour. It's got a nice breeze. You definitely feel the swing on the way back up. It really like kind of throws you back, and then you get a little bit of air time.
Yeah,
you're facing way down at the end of it, but I gotta say, awesome ride, short wait. Check it out. They only had one side running, but we still got on there pretty quick. So thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, and as always, we'll see you very soon. Bye, everybody.